Hi guys, welcome back to Introduction to Maps in R Shiny and Leaflet. In this video, we will be adding a legend to our map. So we have already created our Choropleth map, which is called World Population, and we have styled it and applied some beautiful styling, which creates interactivity and information on our map. And now we are finally going to add a legend which will help us um, clearly understand what our map is trying to achieve. Okay, so let's go back to our source code. Okay, and let's add an append symbol. Okay, and then we add a function called add legend. Okay, and then the first property will be our palette, and the value of the palette will be our palette that we created, and then the values that we are going to use will be our population value, which comes from our pop 2005 field, and then our position. So we want to place this legend at the bottom right corner of the map. So it's bottom right. And then finally we are going to add a title for our legend, which we are going to call World Population in Millions. Okay, so the value of our world population will be in millions. Okay, and so let us save. It seems like I'm missing something. Not sure what. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I added an extra parentheses. Okay, and I removed it, and now it seems fine. Let's save the code, and now let us first terminate that and then run it. And now we should see our legend displayed on our map. If we head over to our world population map, we can now see our legend has been displayed for us, and now our map is much more informative, right? So now we have the title, which tells us that the value is the world population in millions. So here we have 20.31 million people. And then we can see the color palette in action. So we can see that the lighter the color, which goes to a more yellowish color or light yellow, and that's a population of 0 to 10 million. And then the orangish color is about 50 to 100 million, and then 100 to 500 to, I'm guessing that's infinity, is the brown color over here. As we can see, we have a value of 100 or 1,312 million, right? Which is about 1.3 billion people, which is quite a lot. And as you can see, there's a much darker color compared to the rest. Okay, so our data is correct, and we have managed to create our legend, which helps us to clearly understand the data and the map. And that will be it for this video, and this is the final video lesson for this course. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope that you guys have learned a ton and managed to execute the tasks successfully. And um, I will make the source code available, as well as everything that we need to copy and paste, right? So that won't be a problem. And as you can see, we have managed to create multiple maps in a very short space of time. So that just shows the power of the R programming language. And once you understand these basic concepts, you can then take this knowledge that you have acquired and then build more sophisticated maps or map applications to suit your needs. Okay, so thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Thank you.